Okay, so let's jump into this video and start talking about our traction control they're going to be finding in our Motec 100 series software. So we have the ability with our Motec to compare our driven and undriven wheel speeds. If we're going in less than optimal traction conditions, we're going to be finding that our drive speed is going to exceed our undriven wheel speed. And that's going to hold true for any application. So in this situation, we can define how much allowable slip or how much difference in speed between our wheel speeds for the driven and undriven wheel. If we know the definable slip amount, we're able to put it into a closed loop PID-based traction control and then control our ignition, retard, and our spark cut to maintain traction and reduce engine power. We're going to be finding we also have the ability to use a launch limiter table that's going to allow us to control our wheel spin or wheel slip in our first gear when we have the lowest traction or the highest possibility of losing traction. So we're going to be finding we have all of this is going to have to interface and work together. There's going to be a lot of different key components that we have to cover in this video. It's going to be very complicated. It's going to be a little bit long, but you're going to be walking away knowing exactly what to do to set up your traction control for your Motec. So without further wait, let's jump in the video so we can check this out. All right, let's get started here. We're going to be taking a look how to set up our traction control in our Motec. So the first thing we're going to need to do is create a new page. So let's go up here, right click at the top, new page. We'll use our blank page here, and we're going to be calling this one traction control. And now we have our page open. So we're going to be right clicking at first, going to add, going into adjust table. We're going to be adding an adjust table here in the upper part of our window. Then we're going to be going down, right click, add, we're going to be going into chart recorder, and then under main channel here, go to select, we're going to be typing in at the top here, wheel slip, hit OK, and then the secondary channel, we're going to go down here, select, we're going to be going in here and typing TC slip, we're going to be looking at our slip aim value, let's hit OK. And this is going to allow us to compare. Let's get this up into place here. This is going to be allowing us to compare the actual slip measure between the driven and undriven wheels against what we're going to be programming in a slip table. So if it goes and it exceeds that slip amount, it's going to go attack it with a PID-based style control. We're going to be reducing our ignition timing or cutting our spark or the combination of the both. So we're going to be taking a look at all of that in this video. So it's very clear how to go ahead and to do all this. So let's go ahead and just move this around here a little bit. Next, we're going to go right click, go into add, go into our numeric list. We're going to go to add here, and we're going to be adding a bunch of channels. We're going to be typing in first RPM. We want to know what our engine speed is going to be at. Click OK. Click add, and